In this video, I'll show you how to create Gmail account in laptop. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. In order to create your Gmail account, just open the browser, and in the browser we need to type in the search bar create Gmail account. Then you will see this website. So here we need to click on the first one, which should be named as create a Gmail account. And right here we need to click on create an account. Again here we need to head to the option create account, and right here you will see the three options. The first one is for personal use, the second one is for your child, and the third one is for business. I want to create this account for my personal use, so I'll just click on personal use. Then here we need to enter the name. So just enter your first name, but the last name is optional. So if you want to provide a last name, you can just go ahead. I'm just going to enter my first name and then just hit on next. Then here we need to provide the basic information like your birth month, then birthday and birth year, and in the end just enter your gender and click on next. Now here we need to enter the username, and that username should be unique. So just type the username and click on next. So here we need to create a password, and just make sure to create a strong password with mix of letters, numbers and symbols. And for the verification we need to enter the phone number, and once you enter your phone number you will see the 6-digit verification code which we need to enter here. And here if you want to add a recovery email address, you can just add that now, or you can just add that in future. I'm just going to add the recovery email address in future, so I'll just click on skip. And then this is the final part where we need to read the agreement. Once you read it, just click on agree, and now you can see the Google Workspace has opened, and you can see the Google account is now created, or you can see the Gmail address is created. So if you want to click on the profile, you will see your name and the Gmail address which we have created. And yeah, that's it. This is how you can create Gmail account in laptop. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe me, because it really motivates me. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.